Hello, and welcome. Do you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you some tricks and tips that will help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. Tips we'll go over. Establish a routine, avoid caffeine and alcohol, setting a relaxing environment, practicing relaxation techniques, limiting screen time before bed, exercising regularly, avoiding naps, and getting out of bed until tired. Establishing a schedule is one of the most essential things you can do to help yourself fall asleep more quickly. Maintain a regular sleep and wake schedule, even on the weekends. A regular sleep schedule helps your body's internal clock run smoothly, resulting in a more restful night's sleep. Staying away from stimulants like caffeine and alcohol in the hours leading up to bedtime is another good idea. Both of these drinks have been shown to disrupt normal sleep cycles, making it more difficult to get to sleep and stay asleep. Making your bedroom more soothing might also help you get to sleep more quickly. Maintain a comfortable temperature, complete darkness, and silence. Purchase a high-quality mattress and soft pillows. Essential scents, low lighting, and white noise are other great ways to set the mood. Breathing exercises, meditative practices, and physical activities like yoga can all aid with sleep. Relaxing your body and mind with these methods might make it simpler to nod off. Reduce your screen use in the hours before bed. The blue light given off by electronic displays can disrupt your circadian rhythms, making it more difficult to go to sleep. Keep away from screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Exercising on a regular basis has been shown to enhance sleep quality. Exercise too close to bedtime, though, might make it more difficult to nod off. Try to do your workout at least a couple hours before you turn in. Napping throughout the day might make you feel more alert, but it may prevent you from getting a good night's rest. Avoid taking naps, especially in the late afternoon or evening. In the event that you've been lying in bed for 20 to 30 minutes and still haven't been able to nod off, it's time to get up. Get out of the bedroom and do something soothing until you're tired enough to sleep. Doing so will make your bed more of a sleep sanctuary, and falling asleep in it more of a habit. In summary, you can fall asleep faster if you make a few simple changes to your lifestyle and habits. By setting up a routine, avoiding caffeine and alcohol, creating a relaxing environment, practicing relaxation techniques, limiting screen time, exercising regularly, avoiding naps, and getting out of bed, you'll be well on your way to a better night's sleep. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so I'll know you enjoy contents like this.